Shalom, brothers and sisters. Shalom. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and this is Shamstoppers. Title of this video today is going to be called Does She Know Her Job Duties? Does she know her job duties? And we're going to get on these people acting, these public servants, these public clerks, public servant clerks. Alright? County Commissioner declined county clerk's request to pay for legal fees in recall efforts. Now check this out. Watch what this story is about.
If you want to get out there, there's only one.
Let's get rid of this damn commercial. Sorry for that shit. But yeah, these women don't know their job duties, okay?
Are moving forward with county commissioners making the decision on whether or not your taxpayer dollars will be footing Riddle's defense attorney Bill in the recent recall filed against her. Jordan Lyle joins us now in the studio to tell us the results. Jordan.
Thanks, Jake. Today's decision was unanimous among commissioners to not support Riddle's request for the county to pay for her legal fees. This decision follows last month's filing of a lengthy recall against Riddle, accusing her of doing her job poorly and incorrectly while in office, and claiming Riddle cost the county more than $250,000 last year alone. Now it appears Riddle will have to pay for her own defense fees as the process moves forward in a hearing held before a Superior Court judge. Janelle Riddle's recall, a statement over 1,000 pages long, focuses on 6 specific examples of what attorneys say are valid reasons to fire her.
You know, recalls are not just to remove somebody you disagree with. Recalls are to remove somebody who is just blatantly incompetent.
A costly mistake on taxpayers when she didn't properly submit paperwork for reimbursement from the state, costing the county more than $250,000 last year.
When you make series of mistakes over 2 years that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and impact hundreds of lives, no, I mean, at some point enough's enough, and it's just time to say enough's enough.
The recall claims she failed to transmit child support orders within the 5-day requirement by law, costing taxpayers more money, putting the county at risk of getting sued, and causing people to not have their cases set up to collect child support, putting them at risk for being held in contempt. Similarly, the recall says Riddle also failed to promptly inform law enforcement of restraining orders filed in her office, potentially putting lives at risk, and again exposing the county to expensive lawsuits. An investigation showed during last June and July, 121 restraining or no contact orders were filed, but only 43 of them had been received by law enforcement.
If the police are called to enforce a temporary restraining order, yet their computer system doesn't show there's a temporary restraining order, they can't do anything. I mean, it's extremely risky.
The document also claims Riddle made a written threat to shut down the county's Superior Court system if the judges would not agree with her on a particular issue. Today, during the county commissioners' meeting, they declined to give personal comment but said the decision was based off facts, being legally advised by County Prosecutor Joe Brusick last week to not use taxpayer money towards Riddle's defense.
The Yakima County Code prohibits us from paying the legal fees in these circumstances based on that, based on the county code. It was quite clear we didn't have the authority to do so.
Now, I did reach out to Riddle as well today, but she was out of her office this afternoon and unavailable to speak. However, we do intend to follow this story as it unfolds. Here's a look at what we can expect to see in the near future. Yakima County prosecutors are currently seeking a judge from Spokane to conduct a hearing to avoid conflict of interest with the county's Superior Court bench. The hearing is expected to take place later this month if the recall is seen as being done in good faith. If so, the recall will proceed to the signature gathering stage, needing more than 11,000 voter signatures to have the measure placed on the ballot. Now, again, we will continue to follow this story and update you guys as it unfolds. For now, Jake, back to you.
Okay, thank you very much.
the lights go out on music education. Donate now at vh1savethemusic.org.
Now, do they know their job duties? No, they don't know their job duties. They don't. They get this title shit. They get this, you know, this ego. Women have egos. They have egos, man, when they get these jobs. And they don't even read the job manuals. Do you know that? You know they don't read the job manuals? Their job duties? No, they don't. I don't care if you got shit in fucking crayon. They supposed to file that shit. In fucking crayon. I know this for a fact. And we only deal with facts here. And they told off on her ass because she was supposed to do that shit. Her job is to file shit. That's it. Their shit, their fucking job is to file shit. All clerks around. Paying for her legal fees. Fuck that, bitch. You should have known what the fuck you was doing. Look at all this shit. Look at this. The recall claims Riddle failed to transmit. If you know what transmit mean, look that word up. Transmit. Look it up. Child support orders within 5-day requirement by law, costing taxpayers more money, putting the county at risk and getting sued, and causing people to not have their cases set up to collect child support. Now, who cases? And who's doing the collecting? Didn't I tell you niggas that it's the bitch's case and it's not your case? It says that right there, right? If you're collecting child support, it's your case. If you're not collecting child support, it's not your case. They trying to do a little shakedown for you and have you believe that your ass is on child support. But you don't have the paperwork to unlock what's going on. We do. We have that shit. So, people, if you need help, hit us up. If you don't, go read a book. Go read a fucking book. We put up books on this video, on this channel. This is the greatest channel on YouTube. This is the greatest fucking channel on YouTube. And it's gonna get real raw here in a little bit. It's gonna get raw. This channel's for men only, by the way. And for some women who know their place. Alright? For men only and women who know their place. I might add that too. I don't know. But if you do come over here with feelings and emotions, that shit will be shot. It will be hurt quick. Okay? Because we're not going to play no games with you. You're going to get your pussy suit. Alright? Hit us up. Peace.